Tag question is a short question that we attach to the end of the sentence. We make it by adding the auxiliary verb plus the pronoun. For example, this restaurant is very expensive, isn't it? This is not a question. It's just a statement. This restaurant is very expensive. This, however, is a short question. We call it a tag question. Look closer. This restaurant is very expensive. This is a positive sentence. The tag question, isn't it, is a negative question. Isn't negative. That's what happens when we make a tag question. If the sentence is positive, the tag question is negative, and another way around. If the sentence is negative, the tag question will be positive. You like this wine, don't you? You like this wine is a positive sentence in simple present tense, whose auxiliary verbs are do and does. The tag question, don't you, is negative. You like this wine, don't you? You don't like this wine, do you? The sentence is negative. You don't like this wine. And the tag question is positive. Very simple. Now you try. Add a tag question to these sentences. You are going to call me, aren't you? You are going to call me, aren't you? Positive sentence. Negative tag question. You are not going to call me. Are you? Yeah, exactly. You are not going to call me, are you? Negative sentence. Positive tag question. You ate that hamburger, didn't you? Did is the auxiliary verb of simple past. And the sentence, you ate that hamburger, is in the simple past. Positive sentence. Negative tag question. You ate that hamburger, didn't you? You didn't eat that hamburger, did you? You didn't eat that hamburger, did you? Negative sentence. Positive tag question. Your wife doesn't know about it, does she? We can't use the noun wife or any other noun in tag questions. We only use pronouns I, you, we, he, she, it, they. So we have to change the noun wife into pronoun she. Your wife doesn't know about it, does she? Negative sentence. Positive tag question. And remember, we always use contractions in tag questions. Isn't, doesn't, don't, won't, can't. You can cook lasagna, can't you? You root for Yankees, don't you? But what to do in this situation? I'm late. What tag question would you make here? I'm not. Doesn't have a contracted form. And. In this case, the correct tag question would be, I'm late, aren't I? Yes, you heard it right. Aren't I? Only when the tag question is negative, that is. If it's positive, we use am. I'm not mistaken, am I? But what should we do in this case? Somebody is watching us. What tag question should we use here? Well, since we don't know if this somebody is a man or a woman, we use the plural pronoun they. In the tag question, somebody is watching us, aren't they? Somebody is singular. Somebody is watching us. And the pronoun in the tag is plural, aren't they? The same applies to everybody. Anybody? Nobody. Nobody saw that coming, did they? Everybody in the car was fastened, weren't they? Okay, that should be it.